Installing the Tamer PWC Direct Drive. Installing your Tamer PWC Direct Drive is quick and easy. Follow these steps to set up your system for smooth and reliable performance. Start by using the 3 bolts to securely attach the direct drive to the swinger housing. This heavy-duty system is built for durability, ensuring long-lasting performance in marine environments. Next, insert the shaft of the stainless steel C-face motor into the top of the direct drive. Line up the holes and fasten the motor using the washers and bolts included. The powerful 1 horsepower stainless steel motor is designed to resist corrosion and provide smooth, effortless operation every time. Now attach the hard eye of the cable at the bottom of the housing. Run the cable behind the grooved blue roller, around the groove, and up to the direct drive. Loosen the bolt slightly, then feed the cable through the hole in the spool until it taps the edge of the housing. Tighten the bolt securely, ensuring the cable does not pull free. This precision-engineered system ensures a secure hold and reliable operation, giving you peace of mind every time you use your lift. Plug in your motor and maintain slight tension on the cable as it winds onto the spool. The direct drive system is designed for smooth and efficient cable management, allowing for effortless lifting and lowering of your personal watercraft. Now your swinger lift is ready to raise and lower your PWC with ease. The Tamer PWC Direct Drive delivers power and reliability, making launching and retrieving your PWC more convenient than ever. The Tamer PWC Direct Drive is built for durability, efficiency, and effortless operation.